Hello, I'm Mary. I'm 6 years old. I'm from St. Petersburg, Russia. This is book my mommy wrote, Little Pip. This is a little kitten. His name is Pip. This is Pip's mommy. Pip loves his mommy. Pip hugs his mommy. Pip finds a ball. Ball is red. Oh. Pip finds cookie. Oh, this is so yummy. Yes. This is so good for his tummy. Pip finds a milk. Milk is very good and sweet. Pip finds a drum. Boom, boom, bum. Pip finds a dog. Jumps. Oh, oh. Pip jumps up and drops the cup. Oh, the dog Bob is not very bad. Look. The kitten Pip is yawning. Pip want to sleep. Bye, Pip. See you soon.